Apparently, 90% of losing trades on Olymptrade aren't because people pick the wrong direction, but because they trade at the wrong time. Hey traders, you know that frustrating feeling when you're analyzing charts, you've got your strategy down, you place what feels like a perfect trade on Olymptrade, and then bam, it goes sideways for no apparent reason. Here's the thing nobody talks about. Timing isn't just about when you enter a trade. It's about when the markets are actually alive and moving. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Olymptrade's market hours to your advantage so you can stop trading in the market's dead zones and start catching those profitable moves when they actually happen. If you've been struggling with inconsistent results, stick around because this could be the game changer you've been looking for. Let me share something with you. About 2 years ago, I was that trader who'd wake up at 3 a.m. thinking I was being dedicated, jumping on Olymptrade to catch some moves, only to watch the charts barely budge for hours. I was trading during what I now know were the absolute worst times, like trying to catch fish in an empty pond. I'd blow through my daily trades by 6 a.m. and wonder why nothing worked. Then I discovered something that changed everything: the concept of market overlaps and volume patterns. Once I aligned my Olymptrade sessions with when the big institutional money was actually moving, my win rate jumped from about 45% to consistently over 65%. And no, this isn't some complicated rocket science. It's actually pretty straightforward once you get it. Alright, here's exactly what we're covering in the next few minutes. First, I'll show you the 3 golden windows when Olymptrade markets are most active and profitable. Second, we'll walk through how to identify high volume periods using the tools right inside your Olymptrade dashboard. I'll demonstrate a simple beginner-friendly trade example showing how market timing can literally double your success rate. And finally, you'll get my personal market hours cheat sheet that you can bookmark and use starting today. Sound good? Let's jump right in. The 3 golden windows. Okay, let's talk about when Olymptrade markets actually come alive. Think of it like this. Imagine trying to surf when there are no waves versus surfing during a storm. Same ocean, completely different energy. The first golden window is the London-New York overlap. That's roughly 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. EST. This is when both European and American traders are active simultaneously. The volume spikes, prices move with conviction, and your technical analysis actually works because there's enough momentum behind the moves. The second window is the Asian London overlap, around 3 a.m. to 8 a.m. EST. Now, I'm not saying you need to wake up at 3 a.m., but if you're naturally an early bird, this is prime time for currency pairs involving the yen, Aussie dollar, and pound. The third window, and this might surprise you, is actually the last hour of New York session, APE, roughly 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. EST. Why? Because that's when institutional traders are closing positions, creating those final strong moves of the day. But why does this work? It's actually pretty logical when you think about it. During market overlaps, you've got more participants, banks, hedge funds, retail traders, all active simultaneously. Higher volume. More money changing hands means more decisive price movements. Better technical setups. Support and resistance levels actually hold because there's institutional money respecting those levels. Cleaner trends. Less random noise, more directional moves. Think of it like this. Would you rather play basketball in an empty gym where your shots echo weirdly, or in a packed arena where the energy carries you? Same concept. Markets need that energy and participation to function properly. Quick time zone note, I've been using EST, but wherever you are in the world, just adjust accordingly. The key is understanding when multiple major financial centers overlap. One last thing, avoid trading 30 minutes before and after major news releases. Even during optimal hours, news can create unpredictable volatility that goes against technical analysis. Alright, let's wrap this up with the key takeaway. Timing isn't everything in trading, but trading at the wrong time can make everything else irrelevant. You can have the best strategy, perfect risk management, and solid technical analysis. But if you're trading when the market is essentially sleeping, you're fighting an uphill battle. Start paying attention to those 3 golden windows we discussed, use Olymptrade's built-in market session indicators, and watch how your consistency improves. Remember, you don't need to trade every hour of every day, quality over quantity, always. If this helped you understand market timing better, smash that like button. It really helps the channel reach other traders who need this info. And listen, if you're not already trading on Olymptrade, I've got a special link in the description below that'll get you started with some bonus perks. It's the same platform I use in all my videos, and honestly, their market hours tools make timing your trades so much easier. Subscribe for more practical trading tips like this. Drop a comment letting me know which golden window works best for your schedule, and I'll see you in the next video. Trade smart.